Hello everyone, in today's video I will show you how to set up and use Apple Pay on your iPhone. So let's get started. So the first step is you have to enable passcode and Face ID on your iPhone. First make sure you have a Face ID set up. If you have a Face ID or Touch ID, it makes things even easier. So for doing it, you have to click on your settings, go to Face ID and passcode, or simply search here Face ID and passcode, and you have to set up your Face ID and passcode. After doing this, you have to click on your Apple Wallet app. Mostly the Wallet app comes pre-installed on your iPhone. If you can't find it, download it from the App Store. Search Wallet app and from there you have to download it. Then after opening Wallet app, you have to add your card, debit card or credit card, and hit continue. You can scan your card with the camera or enter details manually. Follow the instructions to verify your card. And step 4 is use Apple Pay. Once your card is added to your iPhone, double click the side button to bring up your card. Use Face ID, Touch ID or a passcode to confirm your payment. That's it, you are ready to use your Apple Pay or Wallet app contactless payments in stores and online. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more iPhone tips. See you next time.